Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What's your name?
My name is Adiba Azad.
Well, Adiba, which class do you study?
I study in grade 5, section C.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have lots of friends.
Okay. If you get free time, do you talk to them?
Yeah,
Do you go to their house?
not really because nowadays we have to study a lot, so we don't have the time. But when there is a special occasion like if today is my friend's birthday, then we can go and meet them because we have to wish them a happy birthday, so they don't feel alone or sad.
Great. But you miss them, right?
Yes, I miss them.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have only one brother, and I'm the eldest, and I have a younger brother whose name is Nirban, and he is 8 years old, and I'm 11 years old.
Well, besides study,
Yeah.
what other things you like to do?
I like to do everything.
Like?
I like to sing in my free times. I like to do art. I like to learn some dances. I like to listen to music. I like to read storybooks, and I like to do lots of things that
Well,
most of people like.
You like to read storybooks?
Yes, that is my favorite thing to do.
So, what types of storybooks do you like?
I normally like the storybooks which has some funny names. The storybooks are funny. Like the storybooks related to fantasy, and it's just interesting, and you like to just go on and read.
Do you get enough time to read storybooks?
Yes, I get enough time to read storybooks.
What thing you like about your country?
The thing that I like about my country is actually I love a lot of things, so I don't know what to say.
Thank you so much for your opinion.
Welcome.
I enjoyed talking to you.